Okay, so following on from my workshop tour video the other week, I thought it might be interesting to share a few more details about the wood processing system that we've got. Starting off with this little shredder. I searched for quite a while to find a fairly compact workshop shredder. Most of the machines are really big and will take like a whole pallet in one go, and it was just going to take up too much footprint in the workshop. So I found this machine. Came direct from China, and it's a little bit kind of agricultural in its build, but it does the job really. It's got a plate inside with 4 blades on it. I'll just turn that, you might be able to see them. 4 kind of planing knives in there, and it just spins round and chips whatever you can fit in there basically. I added the square to round fitting on the outlet, and then just plumbed it straight into our extraction system. So as you can see, that comes straight along and then into our briquette machine. So all of our waste is chipped and then pressed into briquettes. So I'll fire up the shredder and show you how it works. That's the sort of size chip that generally comes out when you're shredding solid oak. So that's going to be a nice size for the briquette machine, not going to do any damage. And then we're on to the briquette press. So the extraction system used to have bags underneath it, but kind of made this hopper that goes straight into the briquette press. So everything's sealed in now and we don't have to be changing bags, which is quite nice. There's no dust blowing about the place. And it just fills up that hopper and then comes round, and it's got this bagging carousel on it. So that'll fill 5 bags at a time and just turn around on its own. And all you've got to do is basically change them. It just shuts itself off when it's finished. Show you the briquettes. That's kind of generally how something would come out if it's quite fine dust. Really hard compressed. You can't break it open. This one you can see is a kind of mix of pine and oak in there. More of the stuff from the chipper. Again, still very hard. I'll fire up the press and show you how it works. So there we go, quick tour of our compact workshop waste disposal system.